to my channel Shweta Makeup and Beauty, and today's video is a haul video. And I, being a big shopaholic, have shopped a lot from Forest Essentials this time. So if you have seen my previous haul video, you must have seen that I bought one product from Forest Essential, and that was their Upton. So I really liked that thing, and they also give me some small sample of Tejasvi emulsion, and I liked that as well. And oh, I really love their bag. This is so Indian and so gorgeous. So yeah, let's get started. So after using a lot of chemical brands like L'Oreal, H2O, O3 and Vichy and other brands, I wanted to shift towards a more natural brand. So I've been buying a lot of stuff from Kama, Forest Essential these days. So that's the haul. So I know sandalwood is really good for the skin, and I was not able to find original sandalwood, so I don't want to use anything artificial or any fake sandalwood onto my skin. So I don't know if you know that the sandalwood is really costly, and the sandalwood which you get in the market at really low price, those are not really good for your skin, because all the essential oils from them are already extracted and they are just a piece of wood or the wood powder. So those are not really effective, and that may be fake, so you don't want to put that on your skin. So another option is you can get sandalwood from the Karnataka government website, and it is around 2000 or 1500 rupees for 100 grams of sandalwood. I don't know if my memory is sharp. I don't know. So I trusted this brand Forest Essential, and I got their sandalwood mask, and it's packed, and I still need to try this. And once I try this, I'll let you guys know how it works for me, maybe on Insta, Snapchat or anywhere, or maybe on YouTube. This is for 1550 rupees. This has only natural ingredient, and this is the plus point. This is all packed. Let me open it. This comes in a very beautiful box. It's like a jewelry box. I really like the packaging. It's so luxurious, and let me open it. Oh! Oh my god. So let me show you the texture. This doesn't feel like, let me first remove it. And this is really creamy. It doesn't feel like a regular mask or something of that sort, and I really like the textures. The next product is this Drenched with Moisture Lip Balm Duo. So I generally use Neutrogena lip balm because it has SPF in it, and in the night time I generally apply almond oil, sweet almond oil onto my lips. But since the winters are arriving, I wanted some more moisture onto my lips, so I just wanted to give this a try. So I really like the packaging. It's like this. It has some magnet, and it has 2 lip balms inside. So one is this sweet narangi lip balm, and another one is this sugared rose petal lip balm. Okay, so this one comes with a little mirror, and this one is orange in color. Let me swatch it. So this is not really pigmented, it's just plain like Vaseline. And another one is pink in color, and this one is also plain, and it's also like Vaseline. The texture is also like Vaseline. So this comes for rupees 795. That means around 400 rupees per lip balm. So that's not too costly. And next product is this Intensive Eye Cream with Anise. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So this is worth rupees 2200. So before this, I was using my sweet almond oil for my dark circles and eye area, and it worked perfectly fine. But I wanted to use a particular eye cream for my eye area. I don't know why, but I just wanted to use some eye cream for my eye area, just to pamper it a little bit more. So let me just unpack this. So the box is same as that of the mask. really like the packaging. Okay, so it does come with a little cute spatula so that you don't contaminate the product. And it's a white in color. How it looks like, I don't know, I really like the texture of all the products. It's so light, however it is taking time to get absorbed, but I really like the texture. It's so light and not at all thick. And next product is this Lightening and Brightening Tejasvi Emulsion. So if you have seen my previous haul video, you must be knowing that I got a sample of this from Forest Essential and I simply love that. So I brought this in a bigger size. So I have been using that sample for a week now, and I don't know about the fair or lightening part, but it really does plump up my skin and it gives a really nice glow in the morning. And what I like the most about this product is that it has cow's milk or ghee, and I know how good cow's milk or ghee is for your skin, and it really hydrates my skin, and all in all my skin looks great in the morning. So I wanted to buy a big tub of this product, and it is worth rupees 2,275 for 50 grams of product. So let's just unpack it. And this is how it looks like. It's all red in color. It has more like a lip balm and wax kind of texture, and it is red in color. So it does pigment your face very mildly, just a little bit, but you have to use it in the night time, so it doesn't matter, and it really works. Trust me, it really works. Next product is this aloe vera juice, and it is 100 ml and it is worth rupees 525. So here's the story. I was using this Patanjali aloe vera gel since a long time, and usually my skin behaves properly, but I was noticing that I'm getting more acne, pimples all around my face, and if you can see, I'm having it right here. So I usually have clear skin most of the time, and I don't know, one of my friends, she also complained that she used Patanjali aloe vera gel for the first time, and in the next morning she had those pimples on her cheeks and on her forehead. So it struck me, maybe that was because of Patanjali aloe vera gel. I don't know, that may be the case, that may not be the case, but I just want to stop using it for some time, and so I brought this aloe vera juice from Forest Essential. And I also got a lot of samples this time from Forest Essential. The first one is this cleansing shower butter, and this one is in Nergis flavor or variant. So this is the sample. And next sample is this Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir, and this says use as a pre-moisturizer to seal in moisture or on its own as a smooth hydrating primer before applying makeup. So you can use this as a primer and as a pre-moisturizer or a moisturizer. So really looking forward to use this one as well. And the next sample is, I have a lot of samples. So next sample is this light hydrating facial gel, pure aloe vera. So this says use a small amount as a light moisturizer in the day after cleansing and toning. So this is a day moisturizer. Next sample is this Saundarya Ultra Rich Body Lotion with 24 karat gold and SPF 25. So this looks quite expensive, 24 karat gold. And this says exceptionally rich formula silkens the skin, leaving it lightly scented with a gold sheen. And it's all natural and it has SPF 25. Next up, okay, I don't have any product left in this, so that's it for my Forest Essential haul video. I really hope you like this haul video, and if you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And that's it for now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.